10th Street Inn. I said, if you like the blues, meet me at the 10th Street Inn. Once you've been down there, you'll surely go back again. They got a Texas blues band playing the blues all night long. They got a Texas blues band playing the blues all night long. Eating hamburgers and fried chicken, party till the cows come home. There's not much room to dance, people standing all up against the wall. There's not much room to dance, y'all, but people standing all up against the wall. It's even hard to get to the bathroom, but people stand on both sides of the hall. People in here come out to eat and hear the blues. All the people in here come out to eat and hear the blues. I could take you out anywhere